Not only is it a great networking opportunity, but it's a great opportunity to hear what's happening in the community, what new things are coming out, and a great tool for your learning journey.
It's the focus on that shift from project to product, which we started out with the keynote this morning, and it's been showing up in various sessions throughout the day.
I think people should not miss Scrum Day Europe because it is an opportunity to learn and grow. I learn something new every time I'm here, and I would be devastated to miss out on my learnings.
I'm still surprised by how many times somebody can say something that makes me connect an idea, say empiricism or self-organization, in a way that I'd not currently thought of.
The session from 𝗓𝘂𝗪, it was wonderful. I got to know about how people actually do storytelling, and it blew my mind. It felt like I am in a TED Talk. I'm going to recommend this to my friends and colleagues. It felt like, yeah, it's one of the coolest conferences that we could ever have.
With the last presentation, I think it shows courage if you step up on the stage with all those people, all those professionals looking at you, and just start to dance. That shows courage.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy to announce, and privileged to announce, that Scrum Day Europe 2025 will include 𝗬𝗁𝗍𝗁!